Hello friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So a couple of weeks back I posted a video on Vedanta Limited about a potential breakout. So finally after a couple of weeks there was a breakout yesterday and I also made sure to post that in my Instagram story. So if you have not followed it yet, please make sure to follow it. I'll place the link below. So yesterday I took a futures trade in that and I made a profit of around 70,000 so far on an investment of 6 lakhs. So I'm gonna hold it and let me just explain you in detail about what happened and where I entered. Please make sure to like this video and also comment if you have any doubts. Hello friends, so this is the Vedanta Limited chart in daily time frame. In the previous video we were talking about this pattern, this particular trend line, and at the top also you find 4 resistance, and we were planning either to buy the breakout or at the bottom of the channel. Okay, so the reason why I did not buy at the bottom of the channel is because when it was touching this area the market was in extreme bearishness. So in those time it is better to not take a trade at the bottom of the pattern or a triangle pattern, or let's say channel pattern. Okay, even if it's a sideways market, that is okay, you can take up a trade at the bottom. But if the market is too bearish, and Vedanta Limited, yes, it's an FNO stock as well, it has some weightage over Nifty, so it is better to stay with the trend, right? So if the market is extremely bearish and it doesn't make sense for us to go long, correct? So that is why I did not take up a trade here at the bottom. I was only planning to wait for the breakout and take up a trade, and I did notify about this breakout in my Instagram story yesterday. So what happened yesterday was, let me go further into 1 hour time frame. It was a pure bullish candle at the first 1 hour, which indicated me that okay, the bullishness is here. And if you further go into 15 minutes, it's the first 15 minutes at early morning they just they bought it, and so there were no sign of bearishness until what's this time, until 1:30. There was no sign of bearishness, and after that it started to fall. And if you ask me why did I buy it, I bought it yesterday itself. And you may ask me, why did you buy it before the any kind of confirmation? Because you are supposed to buy only after a strong close, right? So I've taken it because of some reason. This is a huge bullishness. See, the rule is to wait for the strong close. Here I did it only because I have some experience and I was willing to take the risk. So the rule is wait for the strong close. But this case I took up a trade because of this huge candle. Okay, look at this 1 hour candle. There was no sign of bearishness, and if the sellers were to dominate this area, there has to be a lot more seller than this buyer at 1 hour, I mean the first 1 hour, right? So the reason why I did not sell even after this kind of a fall, right? This is not a fall, this is more kind of a retrace after this huge bullishness, right? So my average price is 350 in futures, and yeah, I bought it somewhere around here, I guess. Okay, and I was confident enough that this is going to be a solid breakout, and yes, I was in some kind of loss yesterday when it closed. But today morning I was in a profit. Okay, so as expected the breakout turned out to be successful so far, and I'm still holding on to it. I'll just attach the screenshot or whatever, and you can check it out. And so far I'm still holding on to it, and if there is any bearishness I will close it. Yeah, I may even increase my position in probably in cash, and also I'll be holding on to this particular trade. So I'll just update this trade in my Telegram channel, so please make sure to follow that as well, or I'll do a separate video in case of something interesting happening. Okay, so far I've made this much of profit, and let's see how it goes. Okay.